guys, welcome to WP Belief. This is me Monica and today we are going to see how to add table of contents to your WordPress website. But if you have created table of content like this, then you can choose the topic which you are interested and can easily read it. Suppose we want to read this, so let me click on it and then you can certainly read this easily. You don't need to scroll down. Let's say you have a website and you have a blog like this. If a visitor wants to read any content on your page, then they should scroll down. So after watching this video, you will be able to add table of content to your post. Let's go for that. So here this is the site where we are going to add table of content. Now to add table of content to our site, we are going to do two steps. In the first step, we are going to install a plugin. And in second step, we are going to choose where to add table of content. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it. And after complete watching, don't forget to like this video. So now let's go for the first step, that is to install a plugin named as Easy Table of Content. So let's go to plugin and add new. Here, search the plugin Easy Table of Content. So here, this is the plugin which we are going to install. So let's go for installing it. Now it is successfully installed, so let's activate it. Here you can see this plugin is activated successfully. Here the first step is completed and now we are going to the second step, that is where to add the table of content. So for that, let's go to the setting and here you can see the option of table of contents. Click on it. Then here you can see, here this is the place where you want to or you can add the table of content. And you can add the table of content pages or anything. Let me add the table of content to the post and the pages. So I've selected both. And when it is selected, just go down and here you can see the option of save changes. Click on it. Okay, now this is saved. But now let's add this table of content to our post. So for that, go to the post. Let's say we want to add table of content to this post. So let me go for editing. Here when you will scroll down, you can see the option for table of contents here. So now click on this, enable this option of insert table content. And here there are several headings which you want to add the table of content. So let me select the heading of S2, S3, H1. Or you can select those all if you want to display the table of content of these all headings. So now when these are selected, then click on update. Now when you will go to the post, you can see the table of content. So let's go for that. So this is our site and just refresh it. Here you can see the table of content which is added to our site. Okay, this is how we can add table of content to a single post. Suppose we also want to add a table of content to this post. And here this is the post and here also we want to add a table of content. But now, instead of adding table of content to each and every post one by one, what if you can automatically add the table of content to all the posts at the same time? So let's do that. For that, go to the dashboard and click on here table of contents. Here you can see the option of auto insert. So this will enable to add the table of content to all your posts. If you click on this post option and then swipe down and click on here the save changes. So this is how you can add automatically table of content to all the posts. So let's check it. For that, let's go to our site, and this was our site, and let me refresh it. And here you can see the table of content is available. So if you will choose this option, then you will go to this destined location. Okay, this is how you can add table of content to all your posts. Suppose if you want to remove table of contents from your particular post, how do you do that? So to do that, go back to your WordPress dashboard setting and go to table of content. Just scroll down and here you can see the option of limit path. So here you have to give the path link of your site. So to get the path link of your site, get back to your website, and this is the post from where we want to remove this table of content. So this is the path link, and now you have to copy this along with slash. And now just go here, paste here, and just go down and click on save changes. Now you can just go to your site again and just refresh it. Now you can see here the table of content is removed. This is how you can remove the table of content. But if you want to remove a particular heading from the table of contents, how can you do it? So in order to do that, first copy the heading which you want to remove. Suppose I want to remove this heading. So let me copy this one heading. I've copied it, and now go to edit post. Just scroll down. And here you can see the option for exclude headings. Now just paste that heading to here and then click on update. Now if you go to here view post option, so now you can see here there is no option for physical line, so it is deleted. So that's it guys. This is how you can add the table of content to your WordPress website. Hope you liked it. And again, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, then do subscribe it. And again, see you in the next video. Goodbye.